The future of basketball begins tonight. It's the 21st edition of the Nike Hoop Summit.
I really have enjoyed being around you guys this week. It's been awesome. It's a great experience. Hopefully it's been a great experience for you.
Here at the Moda Center in Portland, Oregon, the U.S. versus the world.
Stay aggressive, Cam!
Bol, the block. Oh, Barrett, a tomahawk!
Every possession means something, all right? We got to grind it out.
Garland. He's got his third three.
Think the game and read the game. The shot clock winding.
What a look from Barrett to Charles Bassey. And for the first time since 2015, the World Select Team victorious.
We appreciate the wonderful experience that USA Basketball and the Nike Hoop Summit provided for us. For all of these guys, are going on to do great things in their careers. Ultimately, the experience was tremendous.